So running a sale on your Etsy shop is something super simple and easy to do. It'll increase your sales and your interactions on your page. So without further ado, let me show you guys how to run a sale on Etsy. Alright guys, so we're in your Etsy dashboard, and what you want to do is go over to your left hand side and there will be a tab that says marketing. So once you click marketing, it will say Etsy ads and sales and coupons. So you'll click sales and coupons, and then you'll go over to your right hand corner where it says new special offer. So we'll click that right there. And then once we're there, we'll have 3 different options of sales that we can run, but we're worried about just the first one right now, and we'll just click run a sale. Alright, so once we're here, the first question is just what type of sale are we giving our shoppers? So I like to go for the percentages off other than the free standard shipping. And then once you click that, the next question would be to choose your discount. So what percentage are you giving your shoppers off? I like to go for 25% or more, but if 25% or more is too much for you, just raise your prices before you start your sale. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, our next question is, where is this offer valid? So just where would you be willing to ship your things to? So you'll click on that text box, and it does have the option to ship everywhere, but I only ship in the States, so I'll just click United States as my only place that I'm offering this discount. And then the next question is the minimum order to qualify. So I usually say that no, I don't have a minimum order. You can just buy one thing and it'll still be valid. So now we have to deal with the duration. So how long is this sale going to run for? So I like to do 24-hour sales just because it builds a sense of urgency for the buyers in my shop. If they see that they only have 24 hours to make a sale or 8 hours to make a sale, it makes them buy faster. Now you have terms and conditions. Usually I never have terms or condition for anything, so just skip that. And then now it's time to name your sale. So right here is just a name that you will want to give your sale. Your buyers won't be able to see this, so if I ran the sale on a Monday, I'll just name it Monday. So this is just so you can keep track of the analytics of the sales and the numbers that it does on your shop. So right here, you're just selecting the listings that you do want to put on sale. You don't have to put every listing on sale in your shop. You could just select certain ones that you might want to use. So right here, it says 0 listings on the shop because I only have 1 listing on the shop and I'm already using it to run a sale. So if you have more listings on your shop, it'll show the rest that you can add. Alright guys, so right here is just a review and confirm. So you're just looking at everything, all of the information that you put in for your sale and just making sure that that's right. And then now it'll tell you that your sale is now live. So you can just click off of that and then go to your shop front page, and you'll be able to see that you are now running a sale. So you can see that they have the 25% coupon showing, and once you click on the listing, you'll be able to see more. So here you'll just be able to see the new price and also the countdown clock for how long that the listing will be on sale for. Alright guys, so that was just a way to run a 24-hour sale in your Etsy shop. This is just to increase your sales and increase the traffic running in your shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, and please leave this video a thumbs up.